I'm Taryn Cadena. The name of my company is Honestly Branded HR. And I'm here because I wanted to make YouTube ads that would sell to people in the online space that are looking to buy what I'm looking to sell. I've known about VPM, and I know that that was they're my top choice. They were the only organization I would have done something like this with. I trust them. I've seen the work that they've put out for other people, and I've seen the results that other people had gotten. And so I knew as soon as I had decided this was my mode of reaching the world with my product, that VPM was my choice. Before this, I was definitely I wasn't really anywhere ready to get my product to the world, out to the world. And now I feel like we have a solid plan, and it's actually positioning me in the place where I can grow in so many different ways that I didn't even see before I attended this workshop. I am an intense person, so I love an intense experience, and it is. I would say that it was super effective and strategic in building the actual ads. That to me was really exciting and fun. I had a really great time in doing that, and it all made sense. And I felt, super confident in that. I feel super confident in that. I have no doubt that what we've put together is solid. Growing isn't like the most comfortable experience, but I also know it is an important part of what you're doing. And I feel like this whole experience has really helped me. It's challenged me to look at my business in a different way, and it's really helped me see my positioning and grow strategically and intentionally rather than just this small way that I initially saw. I feel excited that I have ads that I know will make an impact for what I'm doing. I feel excited that there's more to do that we can do. Like there's more growth to be had, and I feel like I've gotten a big picture of that. Yeah, I think I'm ready to see what happens.